Hi, this video is going to teach you how to calculate profit and loss on items and then use those values to calculate the percentage of profit and loss made. Let's look at solving this problem. Michael purchased a t-shirt for $50. He sold the t-shirt for $75 in his store. Calculate the profit or loss made and the percentage of profit or loss. Firstly, let's calculate the profit or loss. Michael purchased the t-shirt, so he paid $50. He then sold it for $75. So to work out the profit or loss, we need to find the difference between these two numbers. So the difference between 50 and 75 is $25. In this case, Michael has sold the shirt for more than he paid for it. So he has made a profit. So you can write that as plus $25, or you could say that that is a $25 profit. We will now calculate the percentage of profit Michael made. To calculate the percentage of profit made or the percentage of loss made, we use this equation. We will put the profit or loss amount as a fraction over the original cost price. In this case, Michael made a $25 profit, and the original or the cost price of the t-shirt, the price he paid, was $50. We can simplify this fraction into a half. We can also represent that as a decimal as 0.5. We want the profit, in this case, represented as a percentage, so we need to change the decimal into a percentage by multiplying it by 100. So in this case, it will be 0.5 times by 100, which is equal to 50, which gives us a 50% profit that Michael made. Let's try one more problem. Jane purchased a watch for $135. She sold it 12 months later to a friend for $95. Calculate the amount of Jane's profit or loss and the percentage of profit or loss. Let's first calculate whether Jane made a profit or a loss. In this case, she paid $135 for the watch and she sold it for $95. So yet again, we need to work out the difference between these two figures. The difference between these two figures is $40. In this case, Jane has sold the watch for less than she paid for it. So in this case, she's made a loss. So she has made a loss of $40, or you might say minus $40. The last step is to calculate the amount of Jane's loss in a percentage form. So we remember that we put the profit or loss amount, we divide it by the original price, and then to get it into a percentage form, we then times it by 100. In this instance, Jane made a loss of $40. Her original price that she paid for the watch was $135. We're going to need to times that by 100 to make it into a percentage. If you then carry out the division of 40 divided by 135, you get the answer of 0.2963. That's correctly rounded to 4 decimal places. And then we'll need to times that by 100 to get it into a percentage. That gives us the answer of 29.63%. So that is the percentage of loss Jane made on this sale.